Hello, space enthusiasts. Welcome back to Astro Sphere. Today we are delving into the cosmos to explore a topic that often goes unnoticed, the fate of retired spacecraft and satellites. What happens when these cosmic explorers reach the end of their missions? Let's find out. Every spacecraft has a lifespan, and when their missions conclude, they face an inevitable fate. Many of these retired satellites end up in what's colloquially known as the Spacecraft Graveyard. But where exactly is this graveyard, and what challenges does it pose? As more and more satellites are launched into space, the issue of space debris becomes increasingly critical. The Spacecraft Graveyard isn't a serene resting place. It's a bustling zone of space cluttered with defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments from collisions. The risk of collisions and the creation of more debris pose significant challenges to future space missions. Now, let's discuss potential solutions for cleaning up our cosmic backyard. Scientists and space agencies worldwide are brainstorming innovative ideas to address the growing problem of space debris. From robotic arms to net-based capture systems, the race is on to develop effective and sustainable methods for debris removal. Cleaning up space debris is a global challenge that requires international collaboration. We're seeing efforts from various space agencies and private companies to work together on solutions. The hope is to establish guidelines and protocols for responsible satellite disposal and debris mitigation to ensure the long-term sustainability of space activities. That wraps up our exploration of the spacecraft graveyard and the challenges posed by space debris. If you find this topic as intriguing as I do, hit the like button, share with your fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the cosmos. Now, let's keep our eyes on the stars and work towards a cleaner, more sustainable space environment. Thank you for joining us on Astro Sphere. Until our next cosmic adventure, stay curious and keep looking up. See you in the next video.